Hey guys, welcome back. मैं हूँ ज्योति, आप हैं
और मैं
श्रुति.
हूँ श्रुति.
Yes. And now we are going to part two of something. You remember Sunny Khan Durrani?
Yes.
So there was a song La Hassle.
Yeah.
Yeah,
La Hassle. It's been a while. It's been a while since we
uh,
reacted to that one. Huh.
I'll I'll link it here. But
Hmm.
he has released part two of it, or so I'm told, called Hassle.
Okay. तो पहले ला हासिल था, अब हासिल हुआ है.
Hmm.
अच्छा.
So,
Okay.
yeah, and he says, in the quest of the unattainable, unattainable, it's unfair to neglect what you have.
Yes, I agree. I
Yeah,
agree with the idea.
yeah. So, music, composition, lyrics, audio production, artwork, everything is him. And lots of requests. Let's
अच्छा.
see.
Let's do.
So,
Let's listen.
I mean,
Hmm.
we really like that one. Um, let's see if this has a similar vibe or not.
Or if
22nd
it's a
Feb.
continuation. Do you think it
Yeah.
might be a continuation of that?
It could be. It could be like now I've evolved into this mental space sort of
Hmm.
thing. Huh?
देखेंगे तो पता लगेगा. हाँ.
हाँ,
हाँ.
चलो, let's go. 1, 2, 3, play.
कितनी ही नेमतों को किया मैंने अनदेखा, कितने अफसोस लेके अफसुर्दा बन बैठा. क्या हुआ जो अब हो गए दूर, मुझे होना चाहिए फख्र के मैं माँ का गरूर के मैं मरहम हूँ जख्मों पे टूटे हुए दिल की. ये ताकत भी सिर्फ रब के प्यारों को मिलती के बिखरे हुए लोग मेरे गीतों में अक्स देखे. झूम रही है रूह मेरी अर्श पे सब रक्स देखे. सोचो वहाँ ऊपर भी क्या होगा समान. नुसरत साहब की आवाज, पुलिस शाह का कलाम, जगजीत और गालिब की भी होगी मुलाकात. एलिया साहब को भी मिल गए सब सवालों के जवाब के कौन रहता है आसमान में, क्या रखा है टूटे सामान में. इस महफिल में इन सब में एक और शख्स होगा, वही जिसका नाम लेके आगे मैं हूँ चल रहा. जानता हूँ अब्बू आप ऊपर मुस्कुरा रहे, बेटा मेरा बेटा कह के सबको जता रहे. फैज जालिब जिगर को भी गीत मेरे सुना रहे. मैं जानता हूँ अब्बू आप अभी मुस्कुरा रहे. फिक्र नहीं करना आपका बेटा अभी जिंदा है, नाम आपका रहेगा ये आपसे मेरा वादा है. याद आया मेरे सुनने वाले का पैगाम के मैंने अनजाने में बचा ली उसकी जान. कैसे गीत मेरे उसके गमों के हुए साथी, कैसे वो भी अकेला नहीं दुनिया समझ पाती. और अगर तुम जो सुन रहे यही महसूस करते, ना रो मेरे प्यारे देखो ऐसे नहीं अफसोस करते. वादा है मेरा बदलेंगे हालात, ये वादा है तेरी कभी होगी ना मात. तू दिल का है सच्चा, तू रूह कभी साफ है. ये दुनिया भी मिट्टी जोड़ रही आसपास, हम बदलेंगे. हमने कल को संवारना, हमने किसी का दिल में भी रखना उधारना. ना होगा कोई दुश्मन ना दिलों में खोट होगा, जो भी नजर आए वो अपना ही दोस्त होगा. गले से लगा लो जो भी प्यारा तेरे साथ, जो साथ नहीं उनसे भी होगी मुलाकात. वो कहेंगे कि फख्र है तुम हार नहीं माने, पड़े दुनिया के ताने कहीं अपने बेगाने हैं. ईमान मेरा कि सब एक रक्स होंगे, हर्फ नहीं लड़ेंगे न जुमलों के वैर होंगे. हर कोई मोहब्बत के गीत गुनगुनाएगा, तू नहीं वो वक्त जब दौर ऐसा आएगा कि हट जाएंगी सरहदों से बेड़ियां रुकावटें. हम दोनों ही मुल्कों के लोग होंगे साथ में. ईद या दिवाली, रमजान या होली, ना होगी कभी खाली किसी बेबस की झोली. और जितने भी ख्वाब मुझे पता सब सच होने मिलते हुए देखे मैंने शहरों के कोने में. छोटे से शहर का कौन नाम सा लड़का जो सिर्फ अपने दिल की बातें तुमसे है करता. अगर उसके लफ्जों में तुम खुद को देख पा रहे, फिर शायद कुछ भी नहीं जो इस दुनिया में ला हासिल. तू सब्र रख चलता रह, सर रख ऊंचा. मैं जानता तू दुख में तू खुद से ही रूठा, खुद को मना के मंजिलें अभी भी बाकी. और तू नहीं है तन्हा, हम सब तेरे साथी. हम जन्नत में साथ बैठे खुद पे हंसेंगे कि यूं ही अफसरदा थे बेवजह की बातों पे. जानता हूँ मुश्किलें भी अब तक हैं साकिन, मैं जानता कि तंग करे तुझे तेरा बातिन. इस डूबती हुई कश्ती को मिल जाएगा साहिल, यकीन रख सब हो जाएगा हासिल.
just like, you know, how the previous track, La Hassle, you felt very hopeless by the end of it.
Mm.
And you were like, my God, like, you know, he's been through so much. It was almost, I remember talking about it with you, where we said that it was almost like a personal anguish, personal feeling that he was just putting all of it out there. And it was just, and this is like, you know, when from hopelessness, hopefulness happens, that transition. And that is
Yeah.
so beautifully there in the lyrics that he's written through and through of it.
Yeah.
And the
Like
part
from
where
the
he's talking
darkness, you're
about,
stepping into the light
yeah, yeah.
and
And
then
when he's
bending
talking
down.
about his Abu in the, you know, in like, say, आसमान में क्या है पता होगा, and how वो जगजीत से मिलेंगे और वो, you know, फैज को मेरे गाने सुनाएंगे. It is such a beautiful thought. It was very nice. It was stunning.
Yeah.
And how सिर्फ
It
दो
painted a,
instruments के साथ.
yeah, painted such a nice picture in your mind, right? Where you're like, okay, he's sitting and he's showing, ye mera
Yeah.
beta hai, and he's doing this.
Being
Very,
proud. Right.
yeah. Very sweet song and very deep as well. It's kind of very like I've reached a place of um what do you call it?
Personal
Sur-
growth. Like, you know, that next
surrender,
step.
but also
Yeah.
acceptance, but and
Acceptance.
also yeah, acceptance and also a place where I don't feel negativity anymore. I know jo hua hai has happened for reasons beyond my
Yeah.
understanding, and jo hoga wo acha hi hoga, and I just have to flow with life as it comes to me. No,
Correct. Yeah. So even if you feel the negativity, but you're choosing to see the light in it and going towards it, which is beautiful. It's
just
very
a
nice.
very yeah. Oh
And
god,
what was that? That was sarangi, right? The music instrument, or was
yeah.
it a violin ka sharp us pe baj raha tha? Like I couldn't
No,
figure out
so at some point I
guitar.
felt I was confused. I think it was a sarangi, but then I started thinking, is it the Israj? And then I was like, no, I think it's sarangi only. So if we are wrong, please tell us in the
Guitar
comments.
tha and
But
but
yeah,
beautiful.
very nice. I mean, the music and the beat was the same as La Hassel, so it is sort of a continuation. You can listen
Yeah,
to both of them back to back, and you
correct.
just see these two contrasting emotional spaces that the artist has been in. You know,
So this was released a while back, like, but I think it's saying 8 months back or so. So it's
La Hassel.
relatively, La Hustle released then, and this one released when?
Yeah, this one released now, abhi, is hafte.
Acha, abhi
Uh,
abhi. Okay, okay.
it says 22nd Feb.
Acha,
Mm.
acha. Okay.
So I think you can see this past year has been quite
Traumatic.
a year, yeah,
Fine.
but a year of
Yeah,
growth also, no?
yeah, yeah. Trauma से हमेशा growth आती है. That's the beauty of trauma. So
Yeah.
and that's the best part. That's the only good part about trauma. I think that, you know, there is no other way out. Growth is the only way out.
Yeah.
But I also look forward to him exploring, like, you know, growing with him and seeing him evolve into somebody जो अपनी singing के अंदर कुछ और try करता है और फिर कुछ और नया बनता है. Like, you know, that'll be
Hmm.
interesting to watch as well.
Yeah, I mean we've only covered this. Now this second part has become like it's a continuation. See, we haven't reacted to any of his other stuff, so
Yeah.
maybe that'll come. But just beautiful and just a very nice, honest,
Personal diary
emotional,
feel.
yeah,
Huh.
emotional song. And I read this very beautiful quote the other day. Beginnings hide themselves very well in endings. So
Wow. So beautiful.
no,
Yeah.
and I think he's reached that point where he's realized that एंडिंग कुछ हुआ है लाइफ में तो वहीं से एक और बिगनिंग होगा.
That's a beautiful note to say. Keep that thought. It's a stunning thought. We'll see you the next time. Like, share, and subscribe, and just be with us.
Bye.